Welcome to Shimmy and Sweat. This is where belly dance meets old school retro aerobics, and it is an absolute blast. If Shakira and Jane Fonda had a love child, this would be it. And in today's class, we're gonna do a low impact combo, which will be really easy on your joints, but really get your heart rate up, get a great cardio workout, while also strengthening your core with the different belly dance movements. Let's get started. All right, everybody, let's get started with just a step. Just walking it out. Let's walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, 4. You can add some arms if you want, or just keep it walk style. And 1. You can add a little bit of a attitude too. Just because we're exercising doesn't mean you gotta be all serious. Add your own little flair. 2, 3. Just how you would dance. Back to the step. And let's add a shimmy because life is more fun with shimmies. And really feel like you're shaking your stress out and to the side. Just a step touch. Let's do a step together, step, step together, step. Let's change our arms with like a scoop. I call it a scoop. I don't really know if that's what it is. Double, double, single and single, 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 doubles and double, double, singles and 1, 2, 3, again, doubles, wibble, singles and single, 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 walk it forward and back. Forward. Last time. To the side and let's do our scoop with doubles and double. Singles for 4, 4, 3, 2, back to double doubles. Singles and good. Let's get some circles going. Let's bring in some belly dance. Switch directions and let's do 2 together and it's like 1.5 circles. Circle and a half tap. Circle and a half. This is also great for just relieving low back tension and getting mobility in your hips. These hip circles are really great for that. Let's try and see if we can speed this up and woo. Walk forward and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's reset with a shimmy. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Back. Step to the side and step. Let's do our scoop, double scoop. And singles and single, 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 doubles and singles and good. Slow hip circles. Switch directions and shimmy and let's add a shoulder shimmy. Step. Just stepping. Forward touch, back touch, forward touch, back touch. Let's switch our lead leg. Woo. Back touch, forward touch, back touch, forward touch, back touch, back touch, forward touch, back touch. Add the shimmy. Good, walk it out. Are you ready for our walk forwards? Walk it forward and 3, touch, 2, 3, touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add your flavor. Side touch. Double scoop. Singles and 1, 2, 3, doubles. Singles and single, 2. Let's add our circles and front, back, front, together and front, back, front, together and front, back, front, together and front, back, shimmies and back, tap, front, front, back. Switch sides. Front, tap, front, tap, back, tap. Front. Add those shimmies and good, and whoo, take a nice deep breath. We're just gonna go through that one more time, okay? Starting with our walk, 5, 6, 7, walk forward and step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All good. Last time, and 3, 2, 1, side touch. Double scoop. Circles. Good. Let's add the 1.5. And tap. 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 Forward, back, tap. Add the shimmy in. Other side, step, touch, back, cut, step, touch. Kind of experiment with what you're doing with your arms. Again, this is not science, it's play. Add that shimmy in front. Good, shimmy it out. You did an amazing job today. I hope you had so much fun. I hope that you feel less stressed, more energized, more into your feminine energy, and I'll see you next time. Let me know how you're enjoying these videos.